Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are taking you along on a really unique experience right in the heart of Toronto. A visit to Arcadia Earth Toronto. If you have never heard of it, it is an immersive multi-sensory art installation that combines creativity, technology, and environmental awareness all in one space. It is not your typical museum. It feels more like stepping into another world where art actually surrounds you, moves you, and tells a story. So come along with us as we explore the exhibits, take in the visuals, and experience what makes this place so different from anything else in the city. As soon as we arrived, the atmosphere already felt exciting. The entrance sets the tone right away: modern, artistic, and a bit futuristic. You can tell from the start that this is going to be more than just a walkthrough exhibit. The staff welcome you and guide you into the experience, and right away you notice how everything is designed with intention. The lighting, sounds, and visuals all work together to slowly put you into a different mindset. One interesting thing about visiting Arcadia Earth Toronto is that the experience does not stop with what you see around you. Before starting the tour, visitors are encouraged to download the Arcadia Earth app on their phones. The app acts like a personal guide throughout the journey. As we move through the different exhibits, it provides additional information, interactive features, and stories behind the installations. It helped us understand the environmental messages being shared in each room and made the experience much more engaging. What I really liked was how the app transformed a simple walkthrough into an interactive learning experience. Instead of just looking at beautiful displays, we were able to discover the inspiration behind them and learn practical ways to make environmentally conscious choices in our daily lives. So, if you are planning a visit, make sure to download the app beforehand and keep your phone charged. It definitely adds another layer to the experience and helps you get the most out of your visit. You are encouraged to take your time, explore each room, and really observe what you are seeing. Each section inside Arcadia Earth Toronto is like stepping into a completely new environment. One room might surround you with glowing colors, digital projections, and interactive elements that respond as you move. Another might feel more natural with themes inspired by oceans, forests, or Earth's ecosystems. What makes it really interesting is how each installation carries a message. It is not just about visuals, it is about awareness. You start noticing themes around sustainability, pollution, and how human actions affect the planet. There are moments where you just stop and look around because everything is so visually powerful, like floor to ceiling projections, mirrored spaces, and detailed artistic installations that feel almost dreamlike. One of the standout parts of the experience is how interactive it can be. Some exhibits encourage you to engage, take photos, and move through spaces that change as you walk. It keeps the whole experience dynamic and fun instead of just passive viewing. If you are someone who enjoys photography or creating content, this place is a gold mine. Every corner feels like a photo or video opportunity. What stood out the most for me is how Arcadia Earth blends art with a message. You are not just entertaining, you are also thinking about the environment in a different way. It is creative, emotional, and visually stunning all at once. Even if you go in just for the visuals, you come out with a bit more awareness about the world around you. It is also a great place to visit with friends or family because everyone experiences it differently. Some focuses on the art, some on the message, some just enjoy the immersive feel of it. Overall, Arcadia Earth Toronto is definitely worth a visit if you are looking for something different in the city, something immersive, creative, and meaningful. It is not just an exhibit you walk through, it is an experience you feel. I will provide all the details about Arcadia Earth Toronto in the description box below. If you enjoyed coming along with us today, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more travel and local experiences around Ontario and beyond. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video.